welcome back to Alice Customs Tool Bag Tuesday, and today what I have for you is a car cover. And the reason I bought this is that I have projects in my shop that, for example, the red 68 GMC pickup that I'm working on an all-wheel drive swap over for it. I haven't had time to get back to that truck in months and months. And I don't foresee getting back to it for probably the rest of this year. I have a new project coming in for a customer this week. So we're going to try and get the Scout done and then move on. But in the meantime, I need something to protect the paint on that red truck because it actually has pretty good paint. The paint is now about 20-something years old, but it has spent almost all of its life indoors. So I want to try and protect that as much as possible. So going through the reviews, going through whatever, this is what I picked. It's a Leader Accessories is the brand, and it's called their Xtreme Guard. It's a 5-layer indoor-outdoor waterproof car cover. I bought the one that says it's for pickups up to 249 inches long. There's shorter ones and longer ones. So I don't think this would fit like my Dodge 2500, you know, the 3/4 ton crew cab. Even though it's a short bed, I think this would be a little short on that, but it should fit, based on measurements, should fit the long bed single cab. They do have a longer version, and they had a couple shorter versions. They have versions for minivans, sedans, SUVs, and they all run from about $49 to this point at $59.99. So $50 to $60 you can get yourself what appears to be a pretty good car cover. Pretty well rated, and we're going to find out real quick because I'm about to go over, clean the truck off a little bit, lay this out, and cover the truck up so we can protect the paint. Okay, so the instructions tell you to lay it out down the middle of the car, but I think that's more about once you've had it on and you're taking it off and putting it back on a few times, because the way it was folded in there, there was no way to just lay it out across the top of the car. But I did put some foam over the hinges here and over some other sharp spots. This one mirror, where the arm where I've got the mirror off, just to try and protect this. And we'll see if we can't now kind of get this up and over. I also have had this blanket up on top of the roof for quite a while, kind of protecting it from collecting dirt, and I get birds in here, so I'm trying to keep the bird poop off of it too. I think it'd be really easy if you had a really clean place that you could lay this thing out and then fold it up in a way that would allow you to lay it as one big, like a tarp right over the middle of the car. Would be an easier way to handle this. Well, there we have it. Obviously, it is pretty decently thick material. First time, always trying to, get all the, stretch it out, get everything unfolded because it was shrink wrapped into that bag, and but not too bad. Now, I didn't have to go all the way up over the bed because the bed's not even on here, so I just tucked all of the excess in behind the cab for now. But at least I feel better about the cab being protected, people walking by it, and hopefully won't be scratching it all the time. It's probably not spark resistant, although it is an outdoor rating, so it should be fairly durable. Try and do most of my grinding and cutting away from this area usually, and I'll try and continue to be that way. But well, that's it for now. Leader Accessories, there you go. That's the brand I picked. Again, no affiliation, no sponsors or anything like that, but I was looking for an inexpensive way to protect the paint on this vehicle, and I ended up buying car covers for almost every vehicle that I end up building, and even if they're going to be shipping away, I get a car cover for them, and we buy usually a really good cover, you know, the $250, $300 covers. But I was looking for something I could use here in the shop that, while not really disposable, I wasn't going to worry about getting dirty and spark. You know, if I get a few sparks on it, no big deal. But so I didn't want to spend that kind of money. So for $60, I feel like I got plenty of cover. It's plenty durable and should protect this truck going into the future while we get some of these other projects, the Scout, finished up and out of the way so that we can get back on this project. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. There'll be a link to the Leader Accessories covers in the description. Click on those, check them out. As always, they're Amazon affiliate links, so we do make a little money on it here at the channel. And I want to thank you for clicking on those and watching today's video. See you next time on Tuesday.